Hello, my name is Charmaine, and I would like to welcome you to my Kickstarter project, Run with the Bulls, an illustrated guide to the stock market, trading strategies, and risk management for beginners. The project is a digital book and PDF that is packed with lessons on how to read and analyze stock market charts and how to manage risk. The goal of the book is to help teach readers how to trade the stock market strategically while employing tools to manage the risks. The book is an easy read, it is visually appealing, using colorful illustrations, comics, and stock market charts that engage the reader. I am self publishing this book, and by supporting my Kickstarter campaign, you are directly helping me put this book into the hands of people who will benefit from gaining the skills needed to trade and invest in the stock market. This includes those who manage our household incomes, whom we hope will help the family achieve financial stability within its lifetime by letting their money work for them. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for lending an ear to my Kickstarter project. If you believe in this project and the goals it wishes to achieve, please support it, and together we will play a pivotal role in helping to increase stock market investing awareness to all people of all economic situations all over the world. Thank you very much once again.